Hello and welcome back. I'll always love you, section 3C. Will and won't for promises, offers, and decisions. In the first exercise, you have to match the promises with the paragraph. Now, we did this activity last class, but just if you were absent or you would like to confirm your answers, I will read the promises in the order that they appear. The first promise was, I'll come back tomorrow. Number 2, I won't tell anyone. Number 3, this won't hurt. Number 4, I'll write. Number 5, I'll pay you back tomorrow. Number 6, I will always love you. Now remember, using contractions is very common when we talk about the future tense. Just be careful and pronounce the L correctly. I'll, yeah? Or if it's negative, won't. Now, for the definitions and the words that we needed were plumber, research, injection, exchange, always, and eternal. In the next exercise, we had to choose 4 words that were stressed in the second syllable. The 4 words are forget, complete, before, exist. Moving on to the next page, what you needed to do was to check the cartoons that we had with the sentences. So we had the pictures and you had to match them with the sentences down below. We had the verbs, you had to complete the sentences and then match them. I'm going to read the answers for you. The picture A, what we needed to do was to match it with sentence number 4, I will always love you. B, number 2, I'll pay you back tomorrow. C, 5, I'll open the window. D, 3, I'll help you. E, 1, I'll have the steak, please. F, 6, yes, it is very nice, I'll take it. If you notice in the first 2, we have a promise. In these 2, we have offers. And in the last pair, we have instant decision. Here, the man is deciding what to eat, and the woman is deciding that she will buy the hat. Now, just by looking at the functions, we have making a promise is our sentences number 2 and number 4. Making a decision, number 1 and number 6. And offering to do something, we have number 3 and number 5. Okay. Then please, I hope you already moved on to Grammar Bank 3C. If not, after reading the answers, please put pause. We will give the answers for the Grammar Bank. At the moment, let's move on to the vocabulary with the phrasals that are used with the word back. The phrasals are call back, come back, give it back, pay me back, take it back. Please remember that you have the audios in the Padlet link, so I hope you were able to listen to them. The correct answer was, for number 1, I'll take it back. Number 2, I'll call back later. Number 3, come back. Number 4, give it back. And number 5, pay me back. If you're interested, you can click on the video down below so that you can listen to the song White Flag. Now, let's move on to the Grammar Bank so that you can check your answers. Okay, in the Grammar Bank, we will move here to section 3C. The correct answers were A, well, here we have I, 2 was letter H, 3A, 4B, 5C, 6D, 7F. And in the sentences here on this section, I'm going to close it because they're not very similar. I'm going to read the answers for you. Don't pay attention to this because this is an older version of the American English file. I'll read for you just the answer as they appear. I'll help, won't tell, I'll call, I'll pay, number 5, I won't forget, and number 6, I'll take. Okay? So, let me repeat it for you. I will help you. I won't tell anyone. I'll call you tonight. I'll pay you back tomorrow. I won't forget. And I will take you home. This one in your book is not a question, it's a statement, okay? Now, let's see if you don't have any questions. The idea is to please continue to section 3D. I'll see you in a moment. Thank you. Bye-bye.